In our next question, we have a man that stands in front of a wall and there's a microphone next to him which is connected to a cathode ray oscilloscope. So now, if you cannot imagine the situation in your head, I would recommend that you draw a picture. And the question tells us that he claps his hands and he hears the echo. So this would mean that the sound is going to travel to the wall, bounce back, and then travel back to him and the microphone. So the diagram shown is what the man sees on the CRO. And we are told that each division on the screen represents 10 milliseconds. So now if we look at the CRO trace, obviously we have the big trace, which is the sound of the initial clap, and the small trace is the echo that is received back at the microphone. Now, if we count the number of divisions between the sound and the echo, remember we have to go from start to start. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divisions. So because we have 8 divisions, this would mean that the sound took 80 milliseconds to travel to the wall and back. Now in seconds, this would be 0.08 seconds. We divide by 1000. Now remember, because the sound travels to him and back, it travels 2 times the distance between the man and the wall. So as such, we have the total distance traveled by sound must be equal to the speed of sound multiplied by the time taken. We know that the distance is twice the distance to the wall, and the speed of sound is 300 meters per second. So substituting in our 0.08 seconds as our time, we have the value of D, which is going to be 12 meters. And thus our answer is going to be B.